Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. How are you all? I hope everyone is cool. I can see a lot of penguins. If everything is okay, the voice is okay, let me know. And we have some media impact news until 9:35. Okay, that's cool. Tak. That's cool. Good evening, bro. Good morning. Good evening. We can hear you. Good morning. All good. Okay, thank you guys for confirming that everything is cool. Thank you so much, guys, for confirming that. Okay, so this is Imini Nasdaq. As I always tell, before even opening my chart, I think about the day. So that is the first job I do. What is today? Today is Wednesday. That means it should be the expansion day. Now, the problem is if you see the overnight big run, morning session, most of the time it's actually a consolidation. Most of the time. Okay, you have to understand this part before even starting your chart. If you see overnight big run, until the London session, if you see the big run, you will have to consider that the morning session can be the choppy consolidation, accumulation, whatever you say. See can destroy mode, anything. Okay, it can happen like that. I would love to go to 1 week actually first. So this is the weekly chart. You can see this is the weekly bullish fair value gap. This is the order block as the same way the high of that order block. This is the open of that order block. So if you have watched my weekly analysis video, I told that I am expecting market will reach at least until this weekly bullish fair value gap. If it is overzealous, it can reach until this daily last fair value gap or the opening of that order block. So this is the opening. Until that area, it can reach. If you go to daily chart, this is the last fair value gap from daily chart. So we will see actually if it can reach until this last fair value gap or not. You have to be very careful by, I mean, just by the big run around the midnight. Make sure that you are look at this run. Okay, look at this run, overnight big run. So the expansion has done already, a lot of expansion has done already. You can simply think that now it is going to reverse. I'm not thinking like that way. Whether this was the last fair value gap from hourly chart, here that was the last fair value gap from hourly chart, it has reached until this last fair value gap, took all the liquidity, traded the low of this weekly fair value gap. Here I have this daily fair value gap. We will see actually what is going to happen, but make sure that you are not in rush after seeing this big run. This is a big run, so make sure you are very careful. We will see. Okay, here I would love to talk about this thing. This all the last fair value gap to that specific leg, like this all the last fair value gap from that specific leg. Market reached until this constant crossband fall. Here first market has been rejected from the low, then come back again to the constant crossband, then market fall. When it has fallen over there, remember I showed a entry yesterday from 1 minute chart. Over there I told that first market came here to the constant crossband. Actually let me show it to you, it will be easier for both of us. So it was maybe it was where was it? Okay, it was here. It was here, that specific run. Okay, I am now gonna show the same thing over here. First market came to this constant crossband. Market came to this constant crossband, retracement. When market has been retraced to specifically to that order block here, First market reach until this constant crossment, trade that fair value gap. After trading that fair value gap, market went lower. The way it has it has fallen something like that way. Come back again to the constant crossment, fall again. We could trade around that area, but that was outside of the session, so we had no chance actually to trade around that area. I didn't see what happened around the London session. I just saw that market was falling. So I don't know was there any setup or not, anything or not. I don't know. But Manu sent me a screenshot around that area to frame this sell setup. It's not a valid sell setup. It's absolutely gambling. You should not sell over there by depending on that setup. Market structure shift. No, you should not go for that. Okay, it's absolutely dangerous to frame that sell setup. Though it worked perfectly, please don't try to focus on those type of run where there is no immediate reaction. It takes too long to make the setup, and when market has given you the market structure shift, it falls too far. When it falls too far, you should not look for that type of sell. Make sure that you are not in rush. So from 50-minute chart, I really don't have anything to say. I don't know where market is reaching for. From my higher time frame, I know that this is the weekly bullish fair value gap. This is the daily last fair value gap. That's all I know. And let me check actually if there is any 15-minute fair value gap or not. Okay, I have some 15-minute fair value gap, I guess, but it's a messy price action. I'm not interested to mark those as it is the trending day. If I get the trend, I will try to catch that trend. If I don't get the trend, I will wait because I'm little careful about the consolidation. So this morning session can be so much consolidated. Until 9:35 we have some medium impact news. We will wait until 9:35. We will see what is going to happen around that area. If anyone has any question, just tell me. I don't have any clean buy side liquidity. I don't have any clean sell side liquidity. I just don't have anything. No buy side liquidity, no sell side liquidity. If you remember yesterday, I had this sell side liquidity. Remember this sell side liquidity? I had that buy side liquidity over there. But today, I don't have any buy side liquidity. I don't have any sell side liquidity. So market is actually trading imbalance to imbalance, or market will make the liquidity. Most probably, market is going to make the liquidity because of this big fall around the overnight. So market has most probably it's going to I mean uh, it's going to be consolidated and it's going to make the liquidity. So I have to give time to the market to make the liquidity. If you ask me, I would love to say today's lunch hour is gonna be a beautiful setup will create around the lunch hour. So today's lunch hour, I believe that it's gonna be beautiful. Actually, if you see the overnight big run, sometimes the lunch hour provide you the best setup. Now, don't just believe me whatever I'm telling you. Just watch it. If it makes like that way, then try to frame the setup. Otherwise, lunch hour trading is too dangerous. Don't think that market is going higher again because today is trending day. So depending on that trend, while I can see that market went higher, take the buy sell liquidity, it is falling again. So we have to be careful until it makes some kind of clean run. Okay. It is strange as DXY is falling and also in Q. Yep, it happens because of this, that big run. It is the sign of the consolidation. So sometimes you ask me, bro, how do you know that market is going to be consolidated? So this big run helped me to to think about the consolidation even before it happens. When I see this big run around the overnight, I am gonna be very careful about the consolidation. I don't know what happened to me actually. I guess day by day I'm getting older and a lot of disease actually attacking me. I don't know what happened. Maybe I'm gonna die very soon. I have a fever from today's morning. Not so serious, but like 101, 102 degrees Celsius, something like that. So I take the medicine, and uh, I'm just getting older. If anyone has any question, you can ask me, okay? Because I really don't have anything to tell about this price action. As you can see, there is no buy side liquidity, there is no sell side liquidity. Just we have nothing, nothing at all. Market is just here. What it is doing, I have no idea. So I really don't know what is going to happen today. At least not in morning session. I don't know what is going to happen. All I know, today is trending day. So trend is my friend. If I see that market is falling, actually maybe I will try to catch some fall. If I see market is starting to go higher, I will start to look for a bullish parabolic from 15-minute chart. Then I will start to catch the buy. First I will confirm that market is going higher. So if the trend is clear, I will be able to catch some move. If the trend is not clear, I will wait for the liquidity and that type of things. Okay, so I really don't have any idea what is going to happen today. Oh brother, you have to know. I don't know, brother. Take care and stop smoking. Yeah, my doctor also suggested me that smoking. I should stop smoking. I should quit it. I don't know. There was Euro CPI. That's what moved DX, I think, and gold at all-time high. Okay, I didn't see what is happening in dollar. I'm sorry, the gold. I didn't see it. You're younger than me. We'll be fine. Thank you, Manu. Okay, I got some subscriber actually. Before even starting my stream, I got some subscriber. That's a good news. Oh, by the way, yesterday I got 6650. Okay, subscriber hit 6650. That's cool. I will wait until 9:30 to see that how it is going to work around 9:30. Okay, just nothing to do. I mean, sometimes market will make those type of situation. You have to understand when you are going to think that you have nothing to do. This is the area where you really don't have anything to do. The way I explained it, try to catch it. Okay, after this big run, first thing I'm thinking about the consolidation around the morning session. The second thing I know, today is the expansion day. That means trend is my friend. The third thing is, after this big move, I don't have any buy side liquidity. I don't have any sell side liquidity. So here I should wait for some kind of perfect situation. If I get a perfect situation, I'll participate in that price action. Make sure that you have given me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. If anyone is interested about prop firm, here is the Apex. We have 80% discount. 150k, 250k, and 300k account are just for $40, and the lifetime fee is gonna be $85. So I suggest 150k. If any of you are interested, copy trade. Apex is the best platform for copy trading. Okay, because they are providing, I guess, 20 account to copy trade. And if you wanna be successful in trading, you have to do the copy trade. There is the discount code on the right top corner, NLCKHFMI. If you use that code, you are going to get that 80% discount. Okay, and over here, if I mean, any of you are interested about the funded futures, over there you can see that 50k account is just for $76. If you use the same code T2 Wizard, then you are going to get that by $76. Here 100k is 150. Then if you use that same code, you are going to get 5% discount over here as well. I mean 150k, over there you also get the 5% discount if you use that code. Okay, in my opinion 150k is the best plan, but it's up to you. The reset is gonna be $50 for 50k, and if you use the code, you are going to get 5% off as well from the reset, and 70% $70 $100. Okay? And you can see the drill over there. Just make sure that you have used that code. If you don't use that code, then you are not going to get that 5% discount. Okay, to the top left corner you will see the Bluenox. If you any of you are interested about Bluenox, they have 83% off, and the code is same, T2 Wizard. You will get all the link on my description if you want. Okay, I used your funded future code yesterday, brother. Thank you, Eric. Thank you so much, man. Make sure that you are not in rush. Go slowly. Try to pass the eval slowly. Okay, don't try to pass it by one day. Instead of that, try to take more time to pass it. Then after passing that, try to be slow. The more slow you will be, the more profit you will be able to earn. The the guys who are actually fast, they are the last. So make sure that you are not in last. You are slow and you are the first. So this trading is actually the marathon race, something like that. Sarjay, good morning, brother. Good afternoon, good evening. Thanks for the penguin. Mark the shark. Thanks for that penguin, man. So this two line is actually the weekly fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. This is the daily fair value gap. So I would love to see how it reached. I mean, where it would love to reach. If it keep falling, I will try to catch some fall. But I am overconfident. I mean, sorry, over careful. I'm so careful. Be careful. I'm very careful about the consolidation because of this big move around around the overnight. Can you see the move? How beautifully market fall? It was just falling. It was just falling. So around 9:30, when people will start, I mean, open their chart, they will see that market is in bearish. So they will try to catch the sell where I have the problem. When everyone sees something very obvious, I don't want to participate in that fall. By the way, my new day opening gap, so not new opening gap. Opening gap is gonna be too big, so I'm not going to mark that opening gap. Okay, so you can see that opening gap will be something like from there to there. So this huge opening gap, I don't want to mark it just for 30 minutes. I don't want to mark it. So there is 9:30. See this candle open, this candle close. This is the opening gap. I am just not going to mark it. This is the 9:30 open. Let's see how market go. Don't focus over here to that 1 minute chart. Focus in on 15-minute chart, and let's see what is market going to do around 15-minute chart. So far it's bearish. As trend is my friend, I know that. I have whole day left. I don't need to rush to participate in this price move right now. So I will wait actually. Wait a little more to see where it really would love to go. If it starts to go higher, am I going to take buy? No, I'm not gonna do that. For taking the buy, I have to wait for a 15-minute bullish fair value gap for taking any kind of buy. So for trend is my friend, I'm bearish. Okay, I'm bearish until this last fair value gap from daily chart. So this is the daily last fair value gap. Until this daily last fair value gap, I'm bearish. But I'm not in. I mean, still I'm not interested to push my button right now because of this big fall around overnight. So yesterday, if you remember, I pushed my button around 9:30 because that was obvious. But here, I really don't have anything to do. So this is the part you have to learn when you should do something, when you should not do something. Did I make this complicated, brother, today, or is it understandable? Why you should not do anything today? I need this answer actually. Did I make it complicated or not? Even if market keep falling, I'm not gonna participate in that fall. So I need more confirmation to see that where market really would love to go. Okay, thank you, Martin. Thank you, Aditya. Each, thank you, brother. Sometimes, if you don't do something, that is actually doing something. I mean, without doing anything, you are doing something. So that is also the part of trading. I'm not confident. Like yesterday, I was confident to that fall. Today, I'm not confident to catch that fall. I can see this weekly fair value gap has broken by 15-minute chart. I'm not convinced by 15-minute closing because this is the weekly fair value gap. I need to see the hourly closing. So because this is the weekly fair value gap, I would love to see hourly candle will close below this weekly fair value gap. If you go to your hourly chart, you will see this is the hourly candle. Still, it didn't close. So one, two, three. This three candle is the hourly candle. So still, it didn't close below this weekly fair value gap. So I didn't get the confirmation yet that this weekly bullish fair value gap has broken. This hourly, if you just go to your hourly chart and you can see this is the running candle from hourly chart. So yeah, I need more confirmation to take the sell from hourly chart. For taking the buy, I have to wait for a bullish fair value gap again. Just no liquidity, no buy side liquidity, no sell side liquidity. Remember, in my opinion, 80% possibilities today's morning session is gonna be choppy price action. 80% possibilities it will be choppy price action. Why? I have already explained that, okay? But yeah, to be honest, I am bearish until this fair value gap, but I am unable to catch the move. I'm just unable to catch, even if it fall, I'm just unable to catch that. So I need to wait more. We'll come back later after finish with the client. Hopefully, we'll still there. Let's see, brother. I would love to see that market will come this daily last fair value gap. At the same time, I'm just unable to catch that fall. Even if it fall, I'm unable to catch it. So I'm not gonna do that. I will wait for something will tell me it's so clean. Then I will participate in that price action. I'm not in rush. Here I don't have even any opportunity to force the market. I don't have that opportunity as well. Some of you are seeing this 1 minute chart, you are focusing on this 1 minute chart. Don't focus in 1 minute chart, focus on your 15-minute chart. Look from there. So far, did it tell you that it is going higher from this 15-minute chart? Did it tell you that it is going higher? If no, then don't get panicked by that big run. Some of you start to think already. I can read your mind. Some of you started to think that market has taken all the sell side liquid. Now market is reversing. Even when you saw this big candle, if it could make a fair value gap, some of you maybe would go for that buy. This is our problem. We actually depend on the setup instead of the price action. So here I don't have the price action. I can have the setup, but if you believe in that setup, that's difficult to trade, to be consistent profitable. Okay. So take first the confirmation from 15-minute chart. It is really going higher. If it really would love to go higher, it is going to give you a bullish fair value gap. Maybe you are not going to catch the lowest, I mean the starting of that I mean that buy run, but at least you will be able to catch a big run. But as today is the trending day, I am not looking for bull so far. I would love to see market will reach to this fair value gap, to this daily fair value gap at least. But as I told you, I'm just unable to catch that fall. Just I'm unable to catch that fall. That's all. If any of you are in jealous, you can obviously go for the trade. I have no problem. For example, if it can close below this line, if it can close below that line, and then if you see fair value gap, as it is not high probability, I'm not gonna take this entry, that's for sure. Okay, but there was a possibility to this type of setup. Now you don't need to hold it until this concurrent crossman because it is near about 93 handle, you don't need it. Okay, but this is a possibility to take the sell. I am not interested to push my button. Did you do that if you are alone? Yeah, I would go for that. I would go for that. But here I am just not going to do that. Instead of that, I'll just use this one, because here most of you actually do judge me. That's why I don't want to go with some kind of okay over here. Sorry, it should be to that fair value here. If it doesn't reach over there, no entry opportunity here. Okay, my stop loss is above that high. The candle has made this fair value, so I will put my stop loss above that candle high. That is the logical level. I am unable to put it over there because it's near about 37 handle. Should I put it over there? It should be over there, but instead I will put it over here, and I will see that if it can work or not. But as the same way I told that I'm just not gonna push this button because you guys will judge me. If it doesn't work, you will judge me. This is the most logical setup for me, and as it is not high probability, I didn't push my button. Simply, if you have the confusion, you can tell me. This is not high probability, that's why I didn't push my button. If it was the high probability trade, I would be in the market. This kind of trade setup where I am gonna frame my setup depending on the trend. As I know today is the training day, that's why I'm gonna frame my setup. Brother, but you are framing your trade from 1 minute setup. No, I'm not framing my trade from 1 minute setup. I'm framing my trade from weekly chart. So this is the weekly fair value gap low. Market went lower, come back again to this low, rejected from that low, went lower, gave me market structure shape. It's not a clean market structure shape. I told you this is not a perfect setup. This is a setup where I am forcing market to give the setup. That's why it's not a perfect setup. Okay, I told you it's not a perfect setup. But did you take that entry? I would go for that entry. That's for sure. Here I would love to see market will close below this candle. It is going to close below that candle. I need to see that. It should close below this candle. And when market will tap to this high, I should take some partial. That should be the partial area. Okay, over there. That should be the partial area. This candle should close at least below this low. If it close below this low, I'm okay as well. Okay, if it can close below this low, because I need the order block so that I can put my stop loss above there. So that, but for that I need to see it will close below either this candle low or that candle low. Is this a high probable trade? No, brother. Now this is my order block. If it reach until that area, no problem. Until this open, no problem. Until the min threshold, no problem. But this order block should not be violated. These two consecutive order blocks should not be violated. Any of this level can be the order block. Okay. Tito, good morning. All the best for today. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Why I put my target over there? I have no idea why I put it over there. I just randomly put it over there. I can simply put it above here. Still that is 40 handle. Still that is 40 handle. Okay. But I randomly put it over there. I have just no idea why I put it over there. But I would love to see that it will reach at least until the high of this daily fair value gap. That's why I put the partial over there. It has traded the order block. Now it should fall. This is the order block. It has traded that order block. I would love to see body will close below this low now. Body close should be below that low. Then this is going to be my propulsion block. If it failed to close below that low, it's not gonna be the propulsion block. And here my stop loss, I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss. Okay, so here this is going to be my stop loss, just above that candle which has traded that fair value gap. So I'm gonna put my stop loss over there, but you should not trail the stop loss the way I have trailed it. I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss. Okay, because market can simply go back again until this fair value gap. I just covered my loss, that's all. As market has reached until this area, see this open here, this open, I have marked the order block over there. What is the order block? The low, the open, both of this area is my order block. This whole area, not this line, that line, this whole area is my order block. Why I marked that one, not that one? Just watch my order block video, you'll understand when you should mark the consecutive order block, when you should mark the highest up close body close candle as your order block. I want to see body close below this line. Body has to close below that line. If it failed to close below this line, I'm in great danger. In that type of situation, I should put my stop loss at least to the break even so that I'm safe. If it just go below that low and then reverse again, I'll put my stop loss to the break even. If it close below this low, okay, it has closed below this low, my stop loss here is now so safe around that area. It should be safe over there. Okay, it should be safe because I have this propulsion block now. See this candle, this is my propulsion block. So high of this candle is a safe place where market should not go back again, at least before tapping to the high of this daily fair value, at least tapping to that high. You don't need to do that, you can simply put it to the break even. I would love to put it over here above this propulsion block. Sorry, here as I don't have the propulsion block written, I'm gonna mark it as a order block as well. So this is the open, this is the low, both of this area is the propulsion block area. It has tapped to this propulsion block. It should reach at least to the top of this daily fair value gap, at least to the top, so that it will give me an opportunity to take the partial over there. If it stop me out over there, I'll be very happy and by that. But as I told you, your stop loss should be above the order block over there. You don't need to trail the stop loss the way I'm trailing, because my trailing stop loss is really so bad and I'm too fast of trailing my stop loss. I'm believing this propulsion block that is not going to be broken. Yeah, it can reach until the min threshold of that propulsion block, that there is nothing wrong, but it should not be violated, that propulsion block. Okay, it has reached until that area, that order block. That means it has retested the order block again. No problem, we will see. Retest the order block, that's cool. All I would love to see, this candle will close below the 50% of that consecutive order block. If it doesn't do that, I'm wrong and market will go back again maybe to the top, and we will see if it work. I mean, spend more time over there or not. I was stopped out over here. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one. As I have explained the thing over here, I'm gonna keep this one. This one I'm going to keep to see that if it works or not. Still, I'm not in a panic. I'm not thinking that market is going higher. Come back again to the min threshold or the order block retest. I'm absolutely okay with that. Here, this is the order block. This is the min threshold of that order block. Rest until this mean threshold. Okay, I'm safe. As this propulsion block has violated, I'm going to remove that one. Should the propulsion block always be respected? It doesn't need to do that. Not always. That's why propulsion block is low probability instead of the water block. Now over here, as you can see, market closed below this low. So far it's a fake breakout. I want to see that if market can close below this low one more time. I need to see one more closing below this low. So this low is important, not that low. This low is important. So far that was the low after trading the water block. So this low has broken over there, which is the fake breakout so far. I need to see another body close below this line. If it do that, it has more opportunity to fall little, to work with this daily fair market. But if it start to go higher again, I don't care. My stop loss is now in a logical place over there, just 9 handle. You can't, you have to cover that loss. Okay, if you are afraid of that, you can close your trade right now. Still, the you can see it's 16 handle, 20 handle. See, 20 handle, just close it. Close it. If you are afraid of that, close it, no problem. If you are not ready to take that 9 handle loss, then whenever you are getting 20 handle profit, close it. That's the part. Okay, you have to understand. I'm not getting panic when market is going higher, because I have already leveled all the level I have marked. They should be respected. As you can see, that market didn't give me any opportunity to take the partial, so I didn't like it the way it reversed from there. I really want to see that it will at least tap to the high of this daily fair value. I really would love to see that. Can it go higher? Can I look for a buy? Obviously, you can look for a buy. For that, you have to wait from 15-minute chart to for a bullish fair value gap. If you see a bullish fair value gap, you will go for that. Is that a perfect setup? Again, this is not a perfect setup. This is not a perfect setup. Okay, so make sure that you understand the part over there. This is not a perfect setup. It should fall. To be honest, it should fall, because if it doesn't want to fall, it should not close below this line. And that fall should be before 10 a.m. So before 10 a.m. market should fall. I don't like this type of big run. I don't like to see this type of big run. I really love this type of a small run, because this type of big run scare me. It scare me more than anything around that area. Now why I can't tell you this, because this kind of experience, because after seeing this move, I most of the time I say another big bull move. Okay, that actually made me so confused. That's why I don't like this type of big move. Instead of that, this type of a small move, I love it. I love to see that. One candle close, two candle close. If it fail to tap over there, instead of that, if it keep going higher, you are in a great danger. Just close your trade. If it doesn't touch this low right now by that specific candle, if it doesn't touch the high of this daily fair value gap, close your trade. If you are in this trade, okay, then just close it. You know that market is going over there, but don't hold it if it doesn't touch that high by that specific candle. One fake breakout, this is the confirmation. If two time market fail, that means market has more, another intention actually. Make sure that you understand that part. This specific candle should tap the high of this daily fair value gap. It should. I am even not interested to see the next candle is gonna tap over there. No, I don't want to see that. This candle should tap over there. It didn't. You should close your trade. At least if you don't want to close your trade, no problem, take some partial or put your stop loss to the break even. At least to do that, okay? Because really this is not good. After this big fall, the next candle didn't tap in a logical place. It's not good. You'll understand that. I'm trying to explain this price action so that guys you can get some precision from there. Why I didn't like that candle? Because if I get this type of candle, the very next candle I get this type of candle. Look at this candle. See, it's a very bear candle. Look at this candle. Did I tell that beforehand? Now I can't transfer it. It's experience. I don't like to see this type of candle over there. Most of the time, see, what did I tell you? If it failed to tap over there, close your trade over there. I don't care where market is going. At least close your trade around that area. Even if you close your trade around that area, look over there. Still, it's 3300. Not bad. But look at this run. I'm going to remove this one. Look at this run. Look, 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 look. This run, I mean, now I don't know how you will remember this thing. After trading this order block, when market come back and retest the order block, then it is falling in a slow way. I mean, after retest, if it fall dramatically, perfect. There is nothing wrong. If it doesn't fall dramatically, instead of that, it start to fall like this way. Suddenly you saw this big fall. You will wait to at least take the partial, but because after this type of fall, most of the time you will get this type of candle. After that fall, look at this fall, this run. This candle didn't tap over there. You are in great danger. Close it. Close your trade. At least put your stop loss to the break even. At least, because now it is low probability. In the final run, market is reaching over there, but before falling over there, how far market will go, I don't know. Nobody knows that. Maybe it is coming here to retest that area one more time. So what I will do, I will try to re-entry around that area. I don't need to hold that trade. Instead of that, I'm gonna close that trade over there. Still now it is trading this order block, but market is overall coming here again. That's for sure. Why? Look how beautifully it left that sell side liquidity around that area. See this sell side liquidity? It left that sell side liquidity. So I know that it is coming back again. But before coming back, how far it will go, I don't. I just don't know that. Okay. Is that a high probable trade? No, I told you again. I'm telling you again, this is not a high probability trade. It's a trade which you are going to take by forcing the market. So it's not a perfect trade. Did I take that? I would go for that trade. When market was going higher, I told that I would go for that trade. That's for sure. To be honest, I would be stopped out over here, and I took re-entry around that area. My stop loss is just above that parabolic gap. Still, I'm in this trade. My stop loss is gonna be above this parabolic gap. So there would be two entry for me. Okay. This should work as an inversion parabolic gap. This parabolic gap should work as an inversion parabolic gap. Don't just think that market is started to go higher again. No, it doesn't do that. It can't do that. This is a random reversal. Market can't give you the random reversal. It left the liquidity to believe, to make, to convince the retail trader this is the support zone. This is support zone. Okay, the retail trader, they are thinking this is support zone. So when they are seeing this market going higher, they are taking buy. They are taking buy. Every single time they are getting chance, they are taking buy. But finally, market is going to stop them out. Tap at least to the high. I don't know how far it will fall. At least it will tap to the high. Then, even if it would love to go higher, it can go higher. But until then, mhm, this should work as the inversion fair value gap. When market will close below this fair value gap, this fair value gap should be respected. That means I'm expecting something like that. When it will close below this one, it can't go above the constant crossment before tapping over there. So this is my expectation. Why market is doing this? Is this a clean price action, brother? No. Why market is doing this? I need this answer, brother. I have already given you this answer in my Twitter, in my live streaming starting point. I have already given you the answer. Why market is doing this? If it can close below this fair value gap, I showed you how it is going to work. This fair value gap. How do you know that, brother? I know it because I'm the wizard of this market. That means it doesn't need to come back again to the constant crossment. It can actually tap to the low before falling. It can do that as well. It doesn't need to come back again until the constant crossment, but it should not go above the constant crossment. That's all I wanted to tell. At least before tapping to this high of this daily fair value or to take this liquidity. And if it doesn't give me any opportunity, I'm okay with that as well. If it doesn't give me any opportunity or if it doesn't tap this fair value gap, no worries. But this is gonna be my resistance level. That means I'm gonna believe that this fair value gap is not going to be broken. When market will go below this one, it is nearly impossible to break that fair value gap. At least before taking this sell liquidity or tapping to that high. You go. There you go. No, it's not about the news. Jerry Swick. Aditya, long price range in midnight. Absolutely, brother. Aditya. Because we had the long price run around the overnight. So that was your trade over there. Just if you take that entry and just let it go. Just took it, let it go. Was that good? The way I explained the price action over there, except the propulsion block. Yeah, I know that propulsion block didn't respect it because market was overzealous. Retested the order block lot of times. It has retested the order block and the min threshold lot of time. Then boom. When market was going higher, did I tell you that I'm not expecting that market is going higher? I'm expecting for sell only. Is that a high probable trade? No, it's not a high probable trade. Can I force it? You can force it. I would force it if I were in this market. Not in front of you guys. If I was alone. Yeah, I would go for that. Thank you, brother, for writing down boom. Just try to understand this type of situation. Try to keep seeing them. Don't forget about this. After that big fall, that big run. Now you can see it didn't reach until that area. Sometimes it can reach until this area as well. This low. It can retest that low. Don't trust me. I can't explain. Okay, I just can't explain. So if you want to count this as a winning trade, like the all the other people actually show you like this way, go for that. No problem. But just don't blame me. Don't copy trade me. Anybody took that entry, by the way? Thank you so much for writing down boom. Anybody took that entry? I mean, not in real paper money, in real money. I really would love to know. Until this concurrent crossment to that bullish fair value gap, I would love to see that fall. Now, not exactly that, but it can. I mean, you can see, it has crossed the 75% to that specific fair value of 75%. It can reverse from that 75%. That means the upper quadrant. You are a legend, man. I'm not a legend, man. Okay. Boomka, thank you, Madhuk. Okay, nobody took that entry. That's cool. I would go for that trade. I mean, yeah, I would go for that trade. That is my trade. I really would love to go for that trade. I just didn't push my button because this is not a perfect setup. If I took that entry, the first question I have to face that why this is the market structure shift, brother. This is not even a swing low. So why you are marking that as a market structure shift? Now I don't have any answer for that. I can feel the market over there, the way it is reacting from the low of this weekly fair value gap. This is the next area where market should reach. After that big run, this is the fake move. Market fall gave me this market structure shift, fair value gap. Now the perfect market structure shift is something so that you can avoid the losing trade. Okay, but that doesn't mean market has to follow the perfect setup. Okay, please make sure that you understand that. So I am unable to push my button over there because I am unable to give you the answer why that is the market structure shift. But this should work. I know that it should work. Martin C. No. Okay. Until it reached to this consonant crossment, I'm bearish. At least until this consonant crossment. So watch my weekly analysis video. I was bearish until this last paragraph from daily chart. My weekly target has filled. My weekly target has filled. Okay. It has filled perfectly. My weekly target. Trend is my friend. I'm gonna take sell. I'm keep looking for sell. Keep looking for sell. Every single time I will see this from 1 minute chart. I will go for that. Trend is my friend. When you are going to change your bias, if I see a 50-minute bullish fair value gap that has been respected, maybe I will change my bias. Otherwise, I'll keep looking for sell until this sell side liquidity. I have sell side liquidity there. I have sell side liquidity here. Until this sell side liquidity, I will keep looking for sell. Okay. I'm sorry, but yeah, this is how I trade actually. There's 1 hour fair value gap also too. Okay, I didn't see it. I have this daily fair value gap. All I need to see that in trending day. Okay, brother, in trending day, when market is in a trend, every kind of fair value gap is gonna be broken. Every kind of fair value gap is gonna be broken. Now, if you understand that, perfect. If you don't understand, I don't know how to answer this question. Like today, so far, it seems like market is falling. So, isn't it so obvious that this is a downtrend day? So obvious downtrend day. If this trend is continue, every kind of fair value gap is gonna be broken. This is the one level, just one level. This constant encroachment of the daily fair value gap, if you see any last fair value gap from hourly chart or 15-minute chart, that should be the last level. As I have a very high time frame fair value gap over here, daily fair value gap. I'm gonna remove this daily fair value gap so that it will be easier for you to understand the price action. Now I don't have any level that can stop the price because today is trending day. I will keep looking for sell until this sell side liquidity 19792.25. If I see market has made a bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart, I will change my bias. Maybe, maybe not sure, maybe, maybe. Okay. Your session was disconnected because your account was simultaneously accessed with a different browser. Or okay, someone has actually hacked it. I really don't know what to say. I'm just getting the mail every day that someone has took my password. I mean, my password has breached, and someone has connected with my trading view. I really don't know what they're going to get by connecting my trading view. I didn't even change the password actually. Guys, I need the likes and the subscription button. Push the subscription button and the likes button. Near about 100 95 people are watching. I didn't even get some likes, so give me the likes. Shall we count week as BOS or MSS 1 time frame? Yep, brother, you can do it. Just one tick go above or below of the swing high or swing low, you got your market structure. You don't need the body, you don't need the big fall. No, you don't need it. Even if market can go just one tick above, you got the market structure. Excuse me. Trend is my friend. So every single time I have shown I will get this, I'm gonna take that sell. Shanta Feast. Boom. Thank you, brother. Is the market makers. Who is the market maker? Outlander. Jack T, you are early today. What is the ticker of this? What is ticker? I don't know what is ticker, brother. Did you poop? I just what does it say? Snidge. I just snidge. As I told you that I'm sick. I'm in little fever. So sneezing happening. After sometimes I'm just sneezing. John Henry. And the waiting time. So from 9:30 to until now, there is no setup. Until now, there is no setup at all. The market maker hack your computer, computer it. Oh man, that was fun. That was fun. Okay, I need to wash my face. Okay, I'll be back. I mean, within 2 minutes, I'll be back. I need to wash my face because I'm not feeling so good. Okay, I don't know today. I'll be able to continue until the 12 p.m. or not. If I don't feel good, then I'll close my stream even before framing any kind of setup. I just need to wash my face and then yeah, I'll be back. At the same time, make sure that you have given me the thumbs up. You have subscribed to my channel. If you are new, I'm gonna give you the best opportunity to learning this price action. All you have to do is you have to take the opportunity. If you don't believe me, ask my viewers. They will confirm you. Okay. I don't know any of them. They don't know me. So all they know is our channel. That's all they know. And they only know my voice. That's all. So ask them if I'm telling you lie. Okay. If I'll be back. Remember, trend is your friend. Before even participate to that poll, keep that in your mind. Trend is your friend. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Okay, 33% people are bullish. Really? If any of you took that prop firm, okay, don't ever do over trade. Don't ever do over leveraged. I can see some of you actually reset your account, and when I see it, I really feel so bad because you should not reset your account. You should not do that. So while you are doing, you are actually over leveraging. Please don't do that. For 50k account, one mini contract is more than enough. If you would love to take some partial, then trade through your micro account, but don't go more than one mini contract. If you are trading your your 150k account, I mean you have taken 150k account, don't go more than two contract. No more than two contract. It's forbidden. You can't go more than two contract. Never ever. Okay. So please make sure that you understand that part. No, I'm not looking for buy. But brother, it is going higher. I don't care. I am not looking for buy. Brother, I'm keep say telling you something from this 15-minute chat. I'm making these things very easy for you to understand. From this 15-minute chat, do you really think that market is going higher by that small, you know, small buy run? Really, do you think that market is going higher after big fall, after these big fall? You're really thinking that market is going higher? Maybe market will go higher, but for that you need the confirmation. When you will get the confirmation, then you can change your, I mean, bias. No problem, because it is rejecting from the 50% of that daily fair value gap. It can reverse, but for that you need the confirmation. I'm making this concept so easy to you, brother. The way I'm telling you, trust me, believe me, follow me. I am requesting to all of you, just follow me. I'm giving you the most easiest way to trade this market. You are afraid to miss that opportunity, that buy opportunity. Don't be afraid of that. Even if it will go higher, I don't care. I need a 15-minute bullish fair value gap first to see that market is going higher. If I don't get it, I will keep looking for sell, because today's trend is my friend. I am gonna think that trend is going to be my friend. So as it is falling, whenever market is going higher, I'm being uh very happy. Whenever it is going higher, I'm very happy. Why? Because market is going to give me another opportunity to take sell. If it keep falling, I get panic. Why? Because I'm not gonna get any kind of sell opportunity. But when market is going higher, I'm getting happier. Where every single bull candle made me happy. Why? Because I know I'm gonna get another sell setup. This is only for Wednesday and Thursday, okay? Not for any other day. So don't complicate things. I'm seeing this bull run. I'm getting more confident. Take sell. I'll look for sell again. Do you need that 15-minute fair value gap? No, you don't need it. You can think that market is coming back again to this 15-minute fair value gap. There is nothing wrong. You can think that even if you get it, it's more confirmed entry. But you don't need that 15-minute chart today. You don't need that 15-minute chart today. You need that 15-minute chart if and only if you would love to go against your trend. What is your trend? From 15-minute chart, what does it look like? What does it look like? 107 likes. That's cool. Do you watch Yes with NQ or no? I don't watch Yes. I make my trading so simple. You don't need to watch Yes. You don't need to watch uh uh Emini Dow, or maybe Nvidia. You don't need all of them. This one chart is more than enough for trading. You need dollar index, but not always. You need dollar index because dollar index is my barometer. Okay. Yeah, man, I just did some bad trades and now I'm in hole. I'm listening to everything you say now. Okay. That's a good decision, brother Stickjack. So when it is going higher, don't get panic. Be happy because market is going to give you another sell opportunity. So be very happy. Don't just think that, oh, I'm gonna miss that trade. Because from 15-minute chart, how can if I just make it like this way, how can you say that market is going higher? Just tell me. Watching this chart, how can you tell me that market is going higher? Any of you, any single of you can tell me that market is going higher from this specific I mean, specific chart. You have this sell side liquidity from 15-minute chart. Look, this is relatively equal loss. This is relatively equal loss. You have those sell side liquidity. How can you tell me that market is going higher in a trending day? How can market go higher? Absolutely, it can go higher, but you don't need to get panic. Bro, what's the next sell side liquidity you will look for? 19792. I don't know about 19728, but 19792 is my next target. We need some more information about trend is your friend. This is specific today's. I have already give all the information to my narrative videos. Please watch that narrative videos from my YouTube channel. You will understand. You will get everything from there. Just watch that narrative videos because every single day the first thing in my mind is my narrative. This is how I'm so accurate about my bias. In Monday, in Tuesday, a lot of famous people I heard to say them. I mean, I heard that they are saying today is a seek and destroy mode, or maybe today was not a good opportunity to trade. But did I show you how easy that today was to trade? just this Monday and Tuesday. Just this Monday and Tuesday. Did I show you how beautiful and easy was to trading those days? So how do I know that? Just by those narrative videos. Watch those narrative videos. It will make your things so clear. Why do we need DXY? Because dollar index is your barometer. You need dollar index. Not always, but yeah, you need dollar index. In 50 can perform a maximum, how much point stop loss should be taken per trade? No more than 12 handle. The stop loss is gonna be too big, so I'm not gonna take that entry because it's the stop loss is going to be too big. My stop loss has to be above that high. So if I am wrong, then I'm gonna be stopped out, and this is not high probability. The first thing is this swing. This is not a swing low, which is valid for shifting market structure. If I force the market over here, this is not even a high probability. The reason is it didn't take the liquidity. So I would love to go with the perfect one, and I don't want to push my button over there. I could push my button over there, but here I should not push my button. First reason is it didn't take the liquidity. The second reason is this market structure shift is not valid at all. But over there, it has taken some liquidity. It has been reversed from this weekly fair value gap low. But around that area, I didn't get anything like that. So I'm not gonna push my button over there. Instead of that, I will just let this go, I guess, or maybe I will wait to see if it can take some buy side liquidity. Then if it can give me some kind of setup. The first reason is if I take my entry over there, my stop loss is going to be above that high. It's gonna be 23 handle. It's more than my ability. So I'm not interested to take that entry. I filter my trade like this way. If it worked, I will just miss that trade. Maybe I will try to catch the order block entry, but I'm not interested to catch that fair value gap entry. That's all. Can I push my button right now? You can, but mm, should I? Should I? No, it's forcing market. I don't want to do that. I'll just let it go. Yeah, I'll let it go. I'm not feeling confident because this market structure shift is not valid. Market didn't take the liquidity. Nothing is perfect over here. So I'm not gonna take that entry. I'll just let it go. No, I'm not gonna cry if it fall from there. I'm not going to cry, okay? Because I missed it. No, I'm not going to cry because I didn't see the price action yet over there. The perfect price action I didn't see. Market didn't take the liquidity. That was the first thing I didn't see. If market has taken the liquidity, I would push my button over there. As market didn't take the liquidity, I'm not gonna push my button. Either way, this market structure shift is not valid at all. Okay, even this market structure shift was little valid because either way this was a swing low. Even if I force the market, that was a swing low, but this is not a swing low in any way. It's not the swing low. So even if it fall from there, I'm not gonna cry because I missed that trade. No, I'm not going to do that. Instead of that, I'll just wait to see if market can give me another opportunity to do that. I mean, to sell from there. Is it going higher? Are you taking panic that market is going to reverse? No, I'm not going to take that panic as well because I know that market is not going higher. It should fall again. Guys, if any of you are interested about this prop firm, then you can see that we have 80% discount. I mean, for Apex, the code is the right top corner, and over there, if you would love to take 150k account, 100, I mean 250 and 300k account, it's gonna be just $80. Okay, so sorry, $40, and the lifetime fee is gonna be $85. If any of you are interested, you can take the entry and you can use that code. This is Apex, by the way. I just tapped the daily fair value gap. See, I know that, brother. I know that market has tapped to this daily fair value gap. See, I just removed that daily fair value gap from my chart, but I know that there is my daily fair value gap constant crossment. I'm not thinking that it is reversing, but for for feeling that reversal, I need to see a bullish fair value gap from 50-minute chart. From 50-minute chart, I need a bullish fair value gap. I'm still bearish. Okay, I'm still bearish. I will be bullish if and only if market can make a bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Then I will be bullish. Otherwise, I'm bearish. Okay, I want to make myself so clear. That is my part, my side. I will be bullish if and only if market can make a bullish fair value gap. Until then, I'm bearish. Membership streaming is gonna happen today's, I mean Fridays around 1:30 p.m. This week I'm gonna talk about little deeper price action about the fair value gap. Okay, so last week I talked about this order block. I believe that it was insightful for you guys. This week I will talk about the fair value gap in a little deeper way. It's gonna be complicated, so I guess that you will need little more time to understand, but it will be insightful for you, that's for sure. Brother, market is going higher, take the buy, take the buy. I'm not interested to take the buy. As I told you, all I'm seeing that if it is interested to trade that bearish fair value from 15-minute chart or not. So let me mark that bearish fair value. I don't need it, but if it trade that, there is nothing wrong. I don't need it, but if it trade it, okay, I'm okay with that. So it has traded that bearish fair value. It has taken all the buy side liquidity. All the buy side liquidity has taken. So now if I get a sell setup, I'll go for that sell. If it keep going higher, I will wait for a bullish fair value from 15-minute chart. That's all. How can we know high probability fair value gap? What do you mean by that? high probability fair value gap. What do you mean by that? High probability fair value gap. I mean, I have already shown you high probability fair value gap is actually the last fair value gap or the entry fair value gap. They are the high probability fair value gap. What do you see? What do I see? I can see that market has taken all this buy side liquidity has taken over there. It has taken the buy side liquidity. That's all I am seeing. It is going higher. I don't care. All I need to see to look for a buy, a bullish fair value gap from 15 minute chart. If I get that bullish fair value gap from 15 minute chart, yeah, I will start to look for buy. Otherwise, I'm not looking for buy. Can I look for a buy? Absolutely, because in that type of situation, I will see market is reversing from the consequent encroachment of that daily bullish fair value gap. Remember, daily last fair value gap, consequent encroachment. It is reversing from that daily last fair value gap. Let me mark it 1 day. So if you go to your daily chart, this is your daily last fair value gap. Again, this is exactly your daily last fair value gap. So daily fair value gap here. I'm going 1 minute chart again. Now, one thing I didn't like is market worked with the lower portion of that daily bullish fair value gap. Can you see it? Market has worked with the lower portion of this daily bullish fair value gap. Consequent encroachment. I didn't like it. It is telling me that maybe market is going to fall again. This small price action is telling me that maybe market is going to fall again. I'm gonna do that in Friday 1:30 p.m. I will give you the notice. Don't worry, brother. So all I'm seeing that market has taken that buy side liquidity from 1 minute chart. After taking the buy side liquidity, it has traded that bearish fair value gap from 15 minute chart. It's cool, okay? Now I'm starting to look for sell setup. I'm feeling that market is going to fall. All I need a lower market structure shift. That's all I need. If I get a lower market structure shift, I will go for that sell. I'm not getting panic when market is going higher. Can it keep going higher? Absolutely, it can do that. I'm not going to take that buy run. That's all. Even if I miss every kind of buy run, I'm not gonna touch this market. This is the part. If you can understand this small part, trading is gonna be very easy for you. When you are going to take the buy, if and only if market can make a bullish fair value from 15 minute chart, yeah, you are good to go to take the buy. Otherwise, you should not look for the buy until market doesn't make the bullish fair value gap. You should keep looking for sell. Trend is your friend. I don't think so. Mark the shark. I don't think so, brother. I guess you are talking about these two line. It can do that. Obviously, it can do that. There is nothing wrong, but it doesn't need to do that. But it can do that. It doesn't need to do that. It can do that. I mean, I'm not gonna rush. I know when I should take the entry. If I get a lower market structure sheet, I'm gonna take the entry. If I don't, until I don't get the lower market structure sheet, I'm not gonna take the entry. So I'm safe. 210 people are watching. Push the like button, push the subscription button, please. Push the like button, push the subscription button. Let's see how long I can be quiet. I will be quiet for some times now. You told us that trend is your friend, but it's not working. You're lying, brother. Okay. Yeah, the brother who actually told that market is going to take that two highs, it could do that. I mean, there's nothing wrong because it can reach until this 50% of that bearish fabric from 15 minutes chart. It can do that. Do I want to see that? I have no comment over here, okay? Because I'm bearish. Even I don't want to see that market needs to trade that bearish fabric. It doesn't even need to trade that bearish fabric. It has traded that bearish fabric. It's okay. Okay, now is it going to reverse from that constant crossment? I have no expectation, to be honest. I just got my price action. Okay, Tanya, two losses already. Okay, she was trying longs. Okay, I don't know. The longer it consolidates, the better the run will be when it trends. Absolutely, brother. We still look. That's the part, brother. The longer it will consolidate, the better I will get the expansion. For me, 20176 best buy side liquidity should take before down. Uh, for you, 17. Okay, let's see, brother. If it can do that, we'll be happy. All I would love to see that fall. Okay, that's all. I don't want to see that market is going higher. That's all. So we would love to see. Okay. If market can make a bullish fair from 15 minute chart, just let me know that. Okay. If market can make a bullish fair from 15 minute chart, anyone, please let me know that. If it can make that, I would love to stay in 2 minute chart. If it make it, let me know, please. Let's say it can reach until this consonant crossband or not. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Hi, sister. Nagisakta Lia. Okay. No, I'm not thinking that this law is valid for shifting market structure. I'm not gonna force it. I can read your mind, brother. This swing law is not valid for shifting market structure. Brother, I'm gonna miss the trade. No way. I mean, if you just miss the trade, I have nothing to say. Okay. I mean, if you wanna force, you can force, but that's not the swing law which is valid for shifting market structure. At least not in my opinion. This one, mm, this one, not exactly. No, it is also not swing law which is valid. I mean, until this law, I don't see any law which is valid for shifting market structure. Until this law, okay. Even if this swing law is not valid for shifting market structure as well, because market spent too much time over here after making this swing law. So I'm like helpless now. I'm just helpless. Yep, I'm helpless. I'm just helpless. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm just unable to frame the setup from there. I don't want to go for the setup which is not clear to me. But if it works, I will just see that if it works or not. I'll just let it go. Okay. I don't want to force the market. Sometimes shit happens. Sometimes shit happens. I mean, I was waiting for this setup, sell setup, but the way it has given me the setup, it's a shitty setup. I don't like that setup. The setup is not valid to me. I am just not gonna push my button over there. So yeah, sometimes shit happens. I'm gonna miss that. That's all. I would love to say just I'm gonna miss that one. That's all. I will try to catch it. If I get something cool over there, then I will try to catch the order block entry. If I get that order block entry, for that I need to see market will come back again to this breaker block. Then it will make a order block. That is gonna be my entry point. So if I get that one, yep, I will go for that. Otherwise, I'm gonna miss it. If that was a perfect market structure shift, I would just go for the trade after shifting the market structure. If that was a perfect market structure shift, as this is not a perfect market structure shift, I am just not going to interest to take that sell. Now here, this is my point. I cleared it to all of you guys. Okay, all you understand that how you should look for that sell. Today I'm wrong. I mean, sorry. Today the price action is little bad, that's why you didn't get the opportunity to take that sell. If that was a perfect price action, you could take that entry. You could take that entry. At least you should take the partial below this low. You can hold your trade until that area. So in that type of situation, maybe your entry should be there until that area, 29 handle. You can see below this low, it's near about 29 handle. Here 42 handle until this area, 66 handle. And let me mark every swing low so that you can be sure that wizard outlined that beforehand. When it was going higher, wizard told you that what is going to happen. But as this is not a perfect setup, I am just not interested to participate in that run. Instead of that, I would love to see if market can leave some liquidity over there, come back again to the breaker block, then can make a order block around that area. Then I will be interested to take the sell. Otherwise, I'm not gonna interested to look for that sell. Okay. No bullish variable cap 15 made for now. Oh, okay. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. As I told, I really don't want to see any kind of bullish variable cap because I'm not bullish actually. I'm bearish. So all I'm now seeing that if any of this thing can happen, for example, it will come here, then it will go higher, or it will come until that area, then it will go higher. It has to leave the liquidity around that area. Then if it can come over there, maybe I will be able to frame a sell setup again. If it doesn't do that, keep falling, I have to wait for this type of situation again, one more time. It is going to repeating today, one after one, one after one, one after one. So here I really don't have any opportunity. To be honest, you can see that this is highly risky trade. The market structure shift is not valid at all. Nothing, okay? It's not valid at all. So I am not gonna force this market. But as I told you that don't look for buy. This is the part you should learn. Today you are unlucky. You didn't participate in that fall. But if you understand this small thing I told you, I taught you here. Today you are unlucky, but tomorrow you will be lucky. You will see the perfect setup over there. You would be loved. You will confidently push your button over there. Okay, you will be confidently push your button over there. Do you guys got my point? This one better. This one, are you talking about this one? 1038. This one. It is also a breaker block, but for me this is the perfect breaker block. Okay, this is for me. This is the perfect one. I mean, I really would love to see market will reach until that area. So that if I could able to take that entry, if there was a perfect market structure shift, just if that swing low was the valid market structure shift, I would push my button just below one tick to that specific low. I would take my entry over there. That would be my first partial. I would put my stop loss to the break even. I would hold my trade until this low. As it was not a perfect market structure shift, I didn't take that entry. I knew that market is going to fall. I knew that. The wizard told you long time ago that market is going to do that. So I knew that it is happening, but I just didn't get the opportunity to participate in that fall. That's all. Is that clear to you guys? Still, I will look for sell. All I would love to see, if this thing can make a relatively equal loss, then market can go back again. Then I will start to look for sell again. But for that, I need a relatively equal lows over there. Okay. I have one question. If the market go without me, but take buy sell liquidity or sell side liquidity and then come back to my entry model, should I? No, you should not. If your liquidity has taken, you are not able to take re-entry. You are not able to do that. So the way it left that liquidity, I'm very happy to see that. All I would love to see that if it can reach until that breaker block one more time or not. Okay, I really would love to see that. Then here you can't look for the breaker. I mean, sorry, 22 IT model. Here you have to wait for the order block entry. Okay, guys, push the subscription button. I can see that a lot of people are watching the wizard. Push the like button, push the subscription button. I need both of them. Who else is going to teach you that wait for that fall? because market is actually coming here. Who is actually telling you this with that much precision? Nobody else. Okay, every YouTuber actually talk like that way. I'm not a YouTuber, I'm just your brother, and I just do that for fun. I just tell that for fun, okay? I'm just trying to make things simpler to you. That's all. If it is simple to you, I'll be very happy. No problem. Sure, Shutipong. No problem. Where are you from, Shutipong? Crystal clear. Thank you. You're most welcome. The hobby guy. Ism. All clear. Thank you, brother. Waiting for the pullback with you. Yeah, I'm praying for that. Mark the shark. I'm praying for that. Please give me another opportunity. If it doesn't give me, no worries. I will get this type of situation again, again, and again today. It is going to happen again, again, and again today. From that area, okay? Until this sells and liquidity, it is going to happen until market make a bullish fair value gap. If it make a bullish fair value gap and then it started to go higher, I'll start to look for same thing for the buy setup. FX, thanks for that penguin, man. Simple is equal to money. Is the video on your channel about the 15-minute fair value gap strategy? Okay, I have a lot of video, brother. Just watch and visit my YouTube channel. You will get all of this from my channel. I have already explained everything. Okay, right now I'm just showing you that whatever I explained through those videos, it is not hindsight. In live market, I'm just proving that it is working every day with the precision. Every day, man. Okay. T2 is equal T2, T trade terminator. Anything else, AFX? Anything else, man? Tanya trades joking. What is that, Usman? Tanya, she's a great trader. I mean, she's obviously a great trader. You're from Thailand. Okay, I have been in Thailand actually. T is equal T2, most skilled, T for trading, T for teacher. Anything else, AFX? What minimum RR do you require for entering your trades? I don't look for RR. I don't see the RR, but I care about my stop loss, how big my stop loss is going to be. If that is a perfect setup, then I will allow 20 handle, maximum 20 handle as my stop loss. If it is not a perfect setup and I am forcing the market, then I will prefer maximum 12 to 13 handle stop loss. That's all I would love to see. And then what is the target? I don't care. If it is 5 handle, I'm okay with that. If it is 10 handle, I'm okay with that. Buddy, my comment always got ignored. 5 fair value gap bearish is valid for short. What is 5 fair value gap, brother? Manjit Singh? I don't know, brother. Maybe I didn't see you. I'll have to trade AM, not PM because time zone. But if I have to trade PM, I can. Okay. Hi T2. I recall a couple of days ago, you have used 2 minutes chart. When would you use 2 minute chart again? I mean, 2 minute chart is actually your overconfirmed entry. That means if you see the same setup from 1 minute chart and you are confused, should I go for that trade? And if you have opened your 2 minute chart and you saw the same setup from 2 minute chart as well, then be confident with your setup. So here on my right, you can see this is the 2 minute chart. I opened it because today I don't need 15-minute chart. So I am able to open my 2 minute chart. That's why I kept it open over there. But for 2 minute chart, you don't need the perfection. Okay, the swing low has to be trade the fair value. You know the rules. It doesn't need to follow those. Overall, there should be a setup. Overall, okay. Manjit Singh, 5 minute fair value gap for short. How long you are with me? How long you have been with me, Manjit? Just let me know that first. Thanks for the penguin, Mark the shark. Please like the video to make him stay. Thank you. Cool stuff to buy. Thank you, brother. Yeah, please give me the likes. You know what I'm looking for. If market can leave that sell and liquid like that way, then it reverse again. I will start to look for sell again. I am not gonna think that market is going to go higher. I am not going to think that. If it would love to give me another opportunity to take sell, I will catch that sell. No buy. Sell. No buy. Okay. Mall 10:35 1 minute order block. I am not looking for any kind of order block over there. I am just waiting for the breaker block. Now here this can be the breaker block as well. Here this one it can be the breaker block, but for me this is the best breaker block. So I would love to see market will reach until that breaker block. At the same time, if it reach to that breaker block and then give me the order block, then yeah, I will take that order block entry. I will just see. Okay, I'll just watch it. Right now I don't see any. I mean, here even if you would love to look for the break or sorry order block, then this is the highest up close body close candle, which is your order block. The highest up close body close candle, that is your order block. Except that one, there is no order block. If it start to fall, I just missed the trade. That's all. I just missed it. What extra live streams are there for members? PM sessions. I just joined today. Okay, jumping jack. You're not going to get anything extra, brother, by taking the membership. So if you took that membership for something extra, you did a mistake. You should have asked me before taking the membership. And I guess I'm unable to give you back the money, but you can cancel it, okay? Because you are not going to get any kind of extra facilities by the membership. Everything in my YouTube channel is free. Last 2-3 times, maybe 3 times, I did some members only live streaming. I will do that some more days, okay? Some more Friday, I will do that as well. Just to appreciate those who actually appreciating me for so long now. But in my YouTube channel, there's everything is free. Just everything is free, except those 3 to 4. I mean, overall, the members only video will be maybe 10. Just 10 live stream will be just members only. Okay. So please don't think that you have to pay me to learn from me. It's all free. Got you. That's what you mentioned before. Thanks. You're most welcome. What do you do if, for example, you have more travel gap on 1 minute chart? Which one is the entry? Andre Olton, you are new to my channel, so still some more days, brother. You don't need to ask me the question. You will get your answer without asking me the question. I talk too much. Today I'm little sick, that's why I'm not talking too much. Still I'm talking too much. Okay. My funded futures, we apologize for the issues last 2 days. It's out of our control and we literally got updated from Edutainment yesterday. Good news is all issues will be fixed after market close today. Oh, that's a good news. That's a good news. Thank you, Outlander. The N2 will be back to breaker. Let's see, brother. I am actually waiting for that. If it happened, I'll be happy. If it doesn't happen, I just missed this trade. This setup, I just missed it. And I'm not gonna cry for that because I know I will get another opportunity. This morning session with this type of price action, I knew that. So look at this pure consolidation. Then one run, again pure consolidation. Look, consolidation, run, pure consolidation. So it was expected. The PM session is gonna be beautiful today. Someone has subscribed to my channel. Welcome, welcome. Sujal Chandran, Sujat Chandral. What was his name? Maybe I mispronounced it. Welcome, brother. Make sure that you keep coming. If you don't keep coming, you are not gonna learn anything from me. At least nothing. So make sure that you are keep coming to my channel. So far it's a shallow run. I'm cool with that. The shallow run is cool with me. But let's see. It's gonna be my obvious liquidity even if it can go higher now. I will get another opportunity to take sell. If it keep falling, I'm not gonna touch that fall. I am just unable to touch that fall. I will wait for this type of bull run again. Then I will try to frame another sell setup. If I don't get it around the morning session, I'm cool with that. I will look for that in the PM session again. But this is the part, if you understand, just as I told, you are unlucky. You didn't get the opportunity to take entry over there. If you are lucky, look at this setup. How beautiful the setup is. If you put your stop loss over there somewhere, or just for example, okay, until this low, it was near about 45 handle, just near about 45 handle. How beautiful that was. But you are unlucky, you just didn't get that opportunity because market is not clean today. But but the point is, the point here, when market is going higher, are you in panic? Oh man, maybe market is going higher, or you are so confident? No, I know that market is going to fall again. So confident. So when you will get the sell setup, can you confidently push your button to that sell setup? This is the part. Are you learning or not? Previously, trust me. I mean, tell me who can tell me that previously, when market was going higher, you are not sure what is going to happen now. Is market going to reverse? Is it reversing now? Is it reversing now? Didn't you feel like that way? Didn't you start to look for buy? Tell me the truth. Or do you think like now with the wizard we are getting better price action? Tell me the truth. I cannot. I'm not taking any panic over here in this market because I know what is going to happen. I know that I'm always right. Market is wrong. I know what is going to happen. Tell me. For someone that's not feeling well, you are killing it today. I also think it will come back to breaker block and we'll have the perfect setup. We will see, brother. I am not in rush. I know that it's going to repeat every. I mean, it is gonna repeat. It's going to be repeated. Oh, my English, man. By the way, guys, if any of you are interested to join our Twitter family, you see the Twitter link over there in the comment box. Just click on that link, join us to our Twitter. Market is going higher after taking this sell side liquidity. Market is going higher. Are you going to take that buy? You are thinking that market is going higher for taking this high, that high. You are thinking like that way. Market is going higher. Are you getting panic when you are seeing this, or you are patiently waiting for sell setup again? What you are looking for, brother? That's my question. What you are looking for? Man, that was a perfect setup. Take the buy. Take the buy. I am not interested to taking buy. If it keep going higher, I don't care. I just don't care. I will take the buy if and only if I get a bullish parabolic from 15 minutes chart. Until then, no buy is valid for me. The wizard will change your life. Thank you, Outlander. Thanks for that, man. I was looking for buy but stopped because of you. Love you, man. Now here is my part. If you are thinking that you are trading your real money, close my stream and then do your trade by yourself. Okay, just don't come back to me and then blame me, brother. I missed that buy run. I was trying to take that buy, but I didn't take that buy because you told you are not looking for buy. I'm not here to give you any of your signal. Okay, I'm not telling this to our admin. I'm telling everyone. I'm not here to give you the signal. Instead of that, I'm here to just explain the price action, what I'm looking for. Here, some of you are saying this is a perfect buy setup, maybe. This is a fair value. Well, I don't know. This is a perfect buy setup for you, and this is a trap for me. This is just a trap for me. I'm seeing this as a trap. That's all. So I would love to mark that breaker block as well, as this is also a breaker block. So either way, these two breaker block. Let's see which one is gonna be traded. So make sure that uh, you are not actually giving me any blame for missing the trade or taking the winning trade or taking the losing trade. I am not here to give you the signal. I'm just explaining the price action. That's all. I'm not giving you the signal. If I wanted to give you the signal, then why I'm gonna give it for free? I will take money for giving you the signal. Why I will give you the signal for free? So some of you are seeing this is a buy setup. This is the fair value cap. You are going to take the buy from this fair value cap, and I am seeing this as a drop. I don't want to take that buy. I believe that market will tap and it will go higher a little bit, maybe until this breaker block or that breaker block. We will see. Okay, we will see, and then market will start fall again. If it do that, I will have another opportunity to take sell. If it doesn't do that, instead of that, if it keep falling, I will just watch this price. Okay, I have just nothing to do. I will just keep watching this price. I am strict with my rules. I'm not gonna flow with the price action. Now, brother, could I push my button over there? I could push my button over there. I don't want to influence you to pushing button around that area, because when I'm with you guys, you are seeing this is too easy to frame that cell. But when you will be alone, I mean, I'm thinking that you are beginner. When you will be alone, trust me, brother, it's gonna be too difficult for you to push the button, and you will do sometimes some mistakes, and it will hurt you. That's why I'm not influencing you to push the button. But is it possible to trade? I can do it. I am not interested to influence you. That's all, brother. I'm unable to catch this run, but I'm able to catch that run. I'm unable to catch this run. I'm able to catch that run. I'm telling you the truth. All you have to do is you have to believe me. 100% you have to believe me. Now, if you want to ask the proof, I don't have any proof. You will get it every single day when you will be with me in my life. Okay. No, don't take that buy. Yeah, I told you that. Some of you, maybe you are seeing this market has taken that liquidity. That is a market structure fair value gap. So you are going to take that buy. Wasn't it so beautiful setup? Just tell me, brother. Wasn't it so beautiful setup in your life previously? Did you see this is as your buy setup? I saw that as my buy setup at my beginning. In time, now I know this is not a buy setup. At least not a perfect buy setup over there. So yeah, I'm just trying to explain this thing to you guys so that you don't get confused by buy setup and sell setup. You are not going to confused by that. Okay. Still now I'm waiting for a sell setup. Trust me. I really would love to see market will go higher. To be honest, it is going to give me a sell setup. But if it doesn't do that, I don't think so. In this morning session, I'll be able to catch any more setup. So far, this is a consolidation. This is the whole consolidation price action. Maybe for you, this is an expansion. Maybe for you, this is an expansion. But for me, this is consolidation. And I knew that it was going to happen. This consolidation is going to happen over there. I told you beforehand. So this is the 930 open. This is the 930 open. Look at this consolidation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just 8 minutes was expansion. Then again the consolidation. Until now, within 2 hours, just 8 minutes was expansion. Rest of all was consolidation. Did we take catch that frame? I mean that fall? Yeah, obviously we caught that fall. But this area, we just missed this consolidation. Do you need to catch that consolidation? Do you feel like that way, brother? I should do the opposite. When I trade, I be a millionaire. Okay, that's cool, me Ali. Yeah, don't wait to give me the invitation when you will earn that 200K. Don't forget me, okay? Don't forget me. Every single of you. I can see 220 people. Every single of you. Don't forget to invite me when you will earn 200K. I will make you that much profitable. I promise you. If you just follow everything I told you, every single word. If you follow everything, if you don't get panic when market is going higher, if you don't get panic, If you follow my the way I'm trying to teach you, I will make you at least 200k US dollar winning. And then please don't forget me, okay? That's my request to all of you. Because when you have the money, maybe you will forget there was a brother. You will forget that. Brother, can we not use that concept here that the history repeats as previously got some liquidity sweep, then market fall again. Market taken liquidity, market should fall. Can we think like that? Yeah, I saw that, brother. But the problem is market is consolidating. Okay, that's the problem. That's why I didn't talk about this uh, history repeats. Either way, market is not making the setup over there. Just look over here. It is not making the setup. Though it is a high volatile fall, that is a high volatile fall. Okay, near about 50 handle fall. But the way it fall, I didn't like it. The way it fall from there, I didn't like it. So I am just unable to catch that fall. I am unable to use that history repeat things. Look, it has taken this relatively equal highs, then fall. Relatively equal highs, then fall. Take that relatively equal highs, then fall. History repeats. I am oversure that now market is not, maybe not going to that breaker block. Instead of that, from this fair value gap, it is going to fall again. But I am unable to catch that fall. Trust me. So let me show you this thing. I saw that, brother. Okay. Here it has taken that relatively equal highs. This is the liquidity taken. See this one? The market structure shift is not convincing. That's the problem. Here, this is the fair value gap. I'm expecting that market is going to fall from that fair value gap. I'm unable to catch that fall. The reason is the market structure shift is not convincing. I am just unable to frame the setup. That's why. Instead of that, if it keep going higher, maybe I will be able to catch any kind of sell from there. If I don't get it, I'll miss everything. That's all. So history repeats, but here the setup is not supporting me. Setup is not supporting me. That's all. 6666 subscribers. Let's go. Okay, it's 6663. I just need 3 more subscribers. Just 3 more subscribers. Let's see if market can give me another setup over here or not. This is the 50-minute order block. So from that 50-minute order block, if it can provide me another setup or not. We will see that. Okay. So this is the last chance actually to get another setup. If it failed to give me setup, I'm not interested to catch any setup today after 11:30. After 11:30, no entry is valid for me. Okay, someone has donated some money, I guess. Not me. We're going fishing. It should be over there on the screen. Who has donated the money? There you go. AAFX. Thank you, man. Thanks for that donation. Love you, man. Love you. But by that small money, don't think that you are going to skip me when you are going to earn that 200k. Don't think like that way, okay? Thanks for that donation, man. I really appreciate that. Thanks for confirming my doubt, brother. You're most welcome, Gaurav. Jacti, where is the target to the downside? Sorry, maybe I missed it. If you already said it. Yep, brother. 19792.25. I'm not sure about this one, 728, but I am pretty much sure until this 19792. It doesn't need to reach until that area, but that is my target actually. Okay. So if it is clear to you. Now from 15-minute chart, what do you see? Market has traded that 50-minute fair value gap. The highest up close body close candle is your order block. Market has traded that order block. If market can give me another setup, I'm gonna take that's that sell as well. Okay, now here let me show you something. If it can close below this fair value gap, please don't push your button. It's my request. Don't push your button. It's my request to all of you. First, it has to close below this fair value gap. Until it doesn't close below this fair value gap, no, it's not valid. It has to close below this fair value gap first. Okay, keep that in your mind. Don't miss it. Okay, I'll just put it over there, then I will keep it over there. If it close below this fair value gap, then, and at the same time, if it keep going higher, this is not valid because it is holding the price, went higher. Okay, it's not valid anymore. I'm gonna remove it. I was seeing this order block rejection. If it could close below this fair value gap, then that was a perfect setup for me, at least until the low of this fair value gap. It has reached until this breaker block over there. This is the breaker block. That is also the breaker block. So I would love to mark the low of that breaker block to see that if it can reach until that area or not. Here, this is a low. I'm gonna mark this low as well. This is also a low. Okay, this one is to that specific breaker block low. This one is to that specific breaker block low. I will see which one is traded. If it is traded, I'm gonna remove this one. Here I will be able to frame a sell setup if I get a order block. That means a bullish candle. Valid order block. If 10 of us make 200k, we make a party in some country. If you say if, you should leave me, Outlander, because there is no place for if. There has to be 10 or 200k winner. There has to be. If it can reach until that low, I will just remove this one. DXY and indices can go to the same way. It is possible. Okay, it can go to the same way. So it tapped to this breaker block low. This is the breaker block low. It tapped to this breaker block low. I'm happy. Until now I'm cool. I have this sell side liquidity. The support zone over there. Either way, I know that market is going to fall. All I need to see if I can get a order block over there to take the sell. If for 10 people, not no if for me. Oh, okay, so if it was for 10 people, that's cool. Why you are not taking the sell from that breaker block? I'm not taking the sell from my breaker block because market has taken that low. If it didn't take that low, then I would push my button from that breaker block low. See this breaker block? Did you push your button if you are alone? No, brother. But you know that market is going to fall. I don't care, but I wouldn't push my button over there. The reason is market has taken that liquidity. Even if I were alone, not in front of you guys, I am afraid to push my button from there. I don't care how strong my feelings is, market is going to fall. I don't care. I'm not gonna push my button from that breaker block. The reason is market has taken that liquidity. If it would leave the liquidity, I am already in the market. I was already in the market. This is the bullshit price action. I'm just unable to catch that run. So over here, this is the order block. You can see here, this is the order block low. I would love to see if I take that entry, okay, from that order block, where is going to be my stop loss. There is still 20 handle. I'm not able to catch that run. I'll let it go. This is the order block where market has reached. Let me mark the order block. Sorry, not order block, breaker block. Let me mark that breaker block. I explained you, okay? Today's price action is not good. I am unable to catch those run. Simple logic, brother. You have to understand those simple logic. This is your learning period. You are not here to take the entry. you are here to understand the price action. If there was a clean sell side liquidity, this run, if this run didn't created over there, just this run, I was in the market. From that breaker block, I was in the market. Here I am unable to push my button. The reason is market has taken this low. That shallow run has taken again. So it's not the liquidity anymore. That was the shallow run. This low has taken by that low with a shallow run. This shallow run has taken by another shallow run. It's not my liquidity anymore. I know market is reaching for this sell side liquidity. That's why it is falling, but it's not falling for that liquidity. It's not falling for that. If this small run didn't create over there, I would in the market. I would be in the market. So my target entry would be here. My stop loss would cover the breaker, sorry, the breaker block mohawk, something like that. This cover, yeah, until that area. Okay, my target would be there, and this would be my partial. That would be my partial. So over there you can see I have already taken the partial, and market was going to hit that low. I was perfectly okay with that. As market is not clear over there, clean over there, I am unable to take that entry. Is that simple to you guys? I'm not here to just show you my trade. I'm here to explain the price action. Until that low, it's 56 handle. Is that logical? Did I show you this breaker block? It's your job. Even if I got that order block entry over there, I wouldn't go for that trade because that order block entry would be near about more than 20 handle. I'm unable to take that entry as well. Can I take my sell from there? Absolutely you can. This is also a high probable trade. This is also a high probable trade. Where should be your stop loss? Above the breakaway gap. Trust me, this is a high probable trade. High probable trade. This is the entry fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap. No, it's not a high probable. Actually, I thought I got the market structure shift. I actually didn't get it. Sorry, my mistake. I'm sorry. I thought that this low has been shifted, but it didn't shift it. So it's not a high probable trade. So when it is going higher, it is going higher to trade the order block actually. Six 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 four. Just two more people I need to make it 6666. Make it, brother. Make it 6666. Don't worry, it is going to fall. Wizard told him to fall at least until this low. It is going to do that. Don't get panic. It will never make the wizard wrong. So just push the subscription button and push the like button. DJ 2000, why don't you take it with micros too? Now, it's my trading style, brother. It's my trading style. Okay, I would love to trade by my style. I am explaining you. I told you that no, I wouldn't go for that trade. Why I didn't go for that trade? I explained that to you. I told that I would go for that sell around that area. That sell, I would go for that sell. But this one, I am not going to go for that sell. Why? I have already explained the reason as well. Because market has taken this low. So here is not all about the micro. It's all about my style. The way I trade. This is the logic I am trading. I am using for my trading. It should fall. আম্মা কি হয়েছে কি হয়েছে Look at this line. This is the 50-minute order block. So over here on my right, from 15 meters, what do you see? Market reached until that order block. It is reversing from that order block. আচ্ছা না শব্দ শুনলাম তো আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে আম্মা আচ্ছা 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 Now, is that a good price action, brother? I need your answer. Please tell me, is that your good price action? Mhm. So I can see 67% people voted for bearish. Okay. You see, from yesterday, what I am going to do, I'm gonna start this poll first, then I will actually go for the bias. Okay. It's easier for me because you knows how to what is the bias. See, 67% people are right today. The school, man. The school. Really the school. What was my question actually? I forgot my question. You guys are giving me the answer for no, but what was my question? I forgot that. I was just watching my uh, my subscription. I thought that I was thinking that it is. What is my question, brother? You guys are answering me this no. Trust me, it is going to tap to this low. Okay, but I am just unable to catch that run because this is not a good price action. What was the question? You guys are telling that no for scalping, perhaps no for not for nothing. This price action is good for nothing. At least not from 1 minute chart. Yeah, if I go to 15-second chart, I know there is another world. Okay, a whole new world over there. I can frame at least 5 entries over there from 15-second chart. At least five profitable entry. But as you guys actually are not, if price action is good, yeah, absolutely, Senji. This is not a price action. Did I tell you that it is going to happen before starting this session? Why it is going to happen? Did I explain that, brother? I explained that. If you ever see the overnight big run, you will start to predict this type of price action. This is the price action you are gonna predict. It is going to happen. So thank you guys for understanding that part because this is the extremely important part. This high should not be taken. Look at this high. It should not be taken now. It should keep falling. Over there, market is trading this 1 minute travel order block around that area. This is the 1 minute order block. Obviously, there is also an 1 minute order block open. It can reach until that open. Okay, there is nothing wrong if it reach until that open. Though I don't want to see that it will reach until that open. It should fall. It should not take that high. So this order block, if you are my member, then you know what is that order block. If it reach until that area, perfect, I will remove this one. So I don't want to see that. You asked, is this good price action? Yeah, thank you, brother. Yeah, I remember. Okay, it has reached over there. No, it's yet not yet. Please don't copy my trade, okay? I'll be back within 2 minutes. Just let it go and please don't copy my trade. That was good. I need the boom, guys. I need boom. This one you know better than me. What is that? But it's okay. I don't want to. It's very near the lunch hour, so after 17 minutes, I really don't want to talk about anything else about the price action. I'm just done about the price action. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for writing down boom. Thank you so much. So you have seen that today what is happening and how we actually frame the trade. We how do we trade this small consolidation also? You know how to fix the bias, everything you know. Why I took that entry? It has taken the buy side liquidity over there. Look at this buy side liquidity. Now forget about this breaker block. Forget about that. The buy side liquidity which has taken over there. Market went lower. Market structure shift around that area. If that was the perfect market structure shift, I would take my entry from there. As I didn't get it, I forced the market to shift the market over there. I can force the market to shift market structure over there. Forcing. Okay, it's not a perfect market structure shift, it's forcing market. Market went back again, failed to trade that order block, nothing else, no problem. This is also the order block. I needed one more confirmation, that's why I marked that swing low. When market went below that low, I took my entry over there. First partial, I told you how far it should reach before taking that high. Did you get? You have to understand this part. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for giving me that boom, man. We have seen the boom, and now it's time to boom that the like button into oblivion. Thank you guys. By the way, thank you for that subscription as well. 6666466. Thank you guys. So over here, what else do you see from 15 minutes chart? Now you don't need it, but as you got it, I'm explaining. Market has traded that fair value gap. What is that candle? Order block. Did it retest from that order block? Yep. How far it should reach? At least until that low. At least until that low. Is it reversing now? As it is the lunch hour, I don't know what is going to happen, but I am still bearish. Okay. Can you please explain how did you and stop loss and target profit? I can't find that option and trading view. How did you add stop loss? If you take a sell, see this stop loss here. You can put the stop loss anywhere you want. Okay, anywhere you want to put, or this is the target profit. You can put anywhere you want. If you don't want to use them, no problem. Look over here. See, this is a plus over there, very small plus. There. Press on that plus. This is the limit order. So if you take sell, then just whatever you will change the contract over there, it will show over here. For example, if I just put 2, you will see that if I press here, see 2. So if you take sell and you want to put your buy limit, that is also working uh, as a target profit. Okay. If it is clear, that doesn't show on my trading view. Okay, why it doesn't show you in trading view? Just go to your trading panel over there and make sure that this is all open. This is all open. Take a screenshot, then make sure that it's all open over there, and same thing. Okay, just take a screenshot. Now look at the reaction from that low. Okay, Okay, someone has subscribed again. Thank you, brother, for subscribing. So guys, I really would love to talk about here this price action. Is that a good price action? Absolutely not. Still, we break down this market 3 days in a row: Monday, Tuesday, and today Wednesday. 3 days in a row. Just by this week, we break down this market exactly, very easy way. So if you don't see the button over there, okay, so what you will do, you will actually press on that, see this plus over there, on here plus, then you will see this thing. So if you take sell and you want to put your target profit, then put the buy limit. When you will here, okay, put the buy limit as your target profit. Wherever will be your entry, if you would love to put your stop loss, then put the buy stop. If you take sell, I mean, either way, just use this button, this plus, use this too, okay. It will be over there, this plus button will be over there. Whatever you are using, it will show over there. Our T2 brother is the most underrated YouTube trade of all time. Yeah, Priyanto, it's true, brother. Brother, you secretly the market maker? No, man, I'm not the market maker. I'm like you guys, I'm also learning this price action. That's all. I'm just learning. But I can make sure that if you follow the rules, if you don't get panic when market is going higher, when it is going higher, if you listen to me carefully, if you take notes, I will make you a profitable trader. That's my promise to all of you. I will make you the profitable trader. But all you have to do is, for example, maybe this run came until that area. This buy came until that area. You just don't tell me that, brother, I took that buy, because that buy is illogical. That buy will be illogical if you don't see any bullish parabolic from 15-minute chart. Today, trend is your friend, so you have to believe that. You should be I mean, partner of that trend. Okay, I don't know if I'm clear to you guys or not. Okay, this channel should be illegal. Why it should be illegal, man? This guy is an insider trader. Okay, I'll be a wizard too after listening to you. I not only every single one of you, I will make all of you the market wizard. All of you the market wizard. But all you have to promise me that you are actually following the things I'm telling you. That's all. And how long you are with me and how long you have seen that my bias is wrong. Bias is wrong. How many times did you see that? Out of 100 days, maybe one day I can be wrong. One day I can be wrong. Okay, I'm a human being, so I can be wrong one day. But most of the time, how can I be so sure about my bias? How can I be so sure? Just by narrative, just by a small price. Did you see that I have used this immunity chart? This is the immunity chart. Did I use that immunity chart? Whatever you are seeing, I'm seeing the same thing. I don't have any chart open in my home. Okay, I had another laptop when I was trading through 15-second chart, 30-second chart. Yeah, I opened those chart on my laptop, but my sister took my laptop. I have just this screen, nothing else. Whatever I'm seeing, you are seeing the same thing. I explained this price action, I explained that breaker block, I told what I am expecting. I pushed my button over there. If this small run didn't create over there, I pushed my button over there. When this thing created, I forced market to give me another entry. Even how peculiar I was over there. Listen, I didn't push my button from that order block. Was that order block valid? If you are my member, you know that better than me. That order block, how beautiful that order block is. After the breaker block, the order block. I didn't push my button from that order block. I need more confirmed entry. So I waited to see another market structure shift. I don't need the perfect market structure. I just waited to take another market structure shift that covered that order block. Just that order block. I covered it. Took a partial below that low, close my trade below that low. How many handle it's gonna be? So if I take my entry over there around that area to that area, 35 handle, brother. Is it enough for you? I guess it's enough, okay? It waited for 2 hours 30 minutes before taking a trade. First of all, we need to build this kind of patience in us. It's true, brother, you have to be very patient. Please get new microphone. Now, Tony, this is the part, okay? I changed my microphone 3 times. Still, I had the confusion. I mean, the objection about the sound. So I asked Peter Outlander. Outlander. I don't know he's here or not. I asked Outlander to send me a better microphone. Now he has sent me a better microphone, good microphone. Now still you have the problem. This is the very new microphone, a better microphone. Okay, I don't remember the name of that company. I posted it to my Twitter. Okay, I really don't remember the name, but it's a good microphone. Still you have the sound problem, guys. Oh man, what can I do? Run. How many prop firms are you trading at the moment? Have they all paid you out? Paid you yet? Oh man. Do you know what is T plus one? What is T plus one? I really don't know. T2 is equal to T2. Too good of trader. Okay. To be human. For your information, he is alien from outer space. Okay. FX. How many title I'm gonna get? I don't know, man. Sound is good. Thank you, MF. Oh, okay. Ron was telling that sound is not good. So I really don't know. Uh, I mean, sound is perfect. Okay. Thank you, Ben Cruz. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, I have no idea what to say about the sound problem. I was struggling with that. By the way, you can see 6672. So it was more than my expectation. I got a lot of subscribers today. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Make sure that you are joining my channel every day. If you just come today and then don't appear here, I am unable to make you the profitable trader. If you keep coming, I promise you, brother, I never break my promise. I promise you, I will make you the best price action reader, the best trader, at least in this market, in this Nasdaq market. But when market will start to reverse again, I will go back to E-mini S&P actually. But until that reversal, I will be here in Nasdaq market. So I will make you the best trader in this market. When I will go in E-mini S&P market, I will make you the best trader over there. That's my promise to all of you. And I'm not promising because I need you. I'm promising because I am unable to trade. I quit trading. I just don't want to waste my knowledge. That's why I would love to transfer it to all of you. I have some intention behind this. When you will be able to earn that 200k, yeah, you are going to give me the invitation to visit your country. That's my intention. Okay, so I would love to do an advertisement over here. You can see this is the Apex, which we have 80% off. The discount code is NLCKHFMI. I'm gonna change it after 20 referral. So far I have 80 referrals. So after 20, that means after 100 referral, I will change it to T2 Wizard. So until then, please take the pain to write it down. You have 150k, 250k, and 300k account just for $40. If you can pass the eval, you are going to get the lifetime fee by $85. This is so cheap. Trust me, it's cheaper than the normal price. Okay, my suggestion is to go for 150k. Don't go for 250 or 300k, because if you go over there, you will be greedy. If you go less than 150k, you won't be able to trade this type of volatile market. Trust me, you are not able to trade this volatile market. So 150k is the best account size for being profitable. Buy prop firm. This is my own experience. 50k is extremely difficult to trade in this volatile market. Okay, at least in Nasdaq volatile market. It's extremely difficult. If you take 150k, make sure that you never push your button more than 2 contract. You are able to push 15 contract, but never ever push your button more than 2 contract. I don't care how much profit do you need. I don't care how much how much loss you are going to take. I don't care. I just care you are not gonna push more than 2 contract. Never ever. If it is 50k account, no more than 1 contract. No more than 1 contract. If you wanna take partial, go to the micro contract. Not mini contract, go to the micro contract for 50k. But if you are in 150k, never ever push your button more than 2 contract. You will increase your contract size to 3 contract when you will secure 20,000 profit in your account. 20,000, specifically 20,000 profit secured in your account. Now you are allowed to push 3 contracts, just one more contract for 150k. For 50k, you are able to push 2 contracts if when you will secure 20k profit in your account. Until then, you are not gonna push more than 1 contract for 50k. This is my opinion. This is my easy advice for all of you guys. Okay, you don't need to follow those because who am I to tell you what should you do? I'm no one, right? Your life, your rules. I'm not gonna tell you that what you should do, but this is my advice. If you'd love to go for the best deal, then my funded futures is gonna provide you the best deal. So 50k account you are going to get by $76. If you use the code T2 Wizard, you will get the link on my description as well as to the comment box. I believe that Tamimi or Stream Elements, they will provide you the link and the code as well. If you use that code, you are going to get it by $76 and the reset gonna be $50. If you fail to pass it, then you will charged $50. If you use that code again, you are gonna get the profit, discount over there as well. Okay, so over here you see the 100k and 150k, same amount, you will get 5% off if you use that code T2 Wizard. You don't need to pay any other fees. Just take it, that 150k or 50k, whatever you want to take it, pass it, start earning money. No activation fee. You can see here activation fee is none. So if you would love to trade any of those, you can use that code. On the left top corner you will see the Bluenox. If you are interested about the Bluenox, which has 83% off as well, if you use the code T2 Wizard. So as I told, the Apex code is gonna be changed to T2 Wizard just after 20 referral. So I will make all the referrals same. Code same. It's going to be T2 Wizard. So it will be easier for you to remember, guys. Okay. And you have place in Miami, Florida. Will use your code next time I reload. Okay, thank you, brother Tony. Yeah, that will be that will be appreciated, man. Thank you. Maggie, what about during the eval phase? How many would you suggest? Now, for the eval, I don't want to suggest you anything. To be honest, I really don't want to suggest you anything. Eval, just pass it. But when you are in live account or express account, mhm, the thing I told you, you have to follow that. You don't have to follow that, but that's my advice. If you follow that, nobody is gonna stop you. If you don't stop, if you don't overtrade, nobody, simply nobody is going to stop you for being profitable. You will be profitable. That's my guarantee. Okay. Tito, can you please talk about the risks in terms of money? If we have a 50k account, how many dollars are we supposed to risk per trade while trying to clear the account? Now, if it is eval, I have no suggestion for that. Okay, because sometimes I do over leveraged, I do over trade when I'm in challenge account. Okay, I should not tell you the lie. This is my opinion. Okay, I also did to try to pass the eval, sometimes I did over leverage, over trade, I did that. So how can I give you the suggestion? But if you are in express account, for 50k account, never ever go more than 350k $50. more than $350 loss if you're trading Nasdaq. Try to make sure that your stop loss is gonna be less than $350 and no more than two trade in a day. No more than two trade in a day. If you get a winning trade, you are done. Okay. Expert account 5 max for 50k my funded futures. Okay, I didn't talk about the expert account, but you guys can just see them. I mean, if you can, if you want, you can take a screenshot over here. You will see all the plan is over there. Okay. So this is the expert account over there, and this is the starter account over here. So you can take a screenshot, and if you want to, and all the information is over here. Okay. So later you can come back again to this stream and you can take the screenshot if you need any kind of, or you will get the link on my description to their website. Okay, that's awesome, man. Thank you so much. You are the bestest. Thank you, skaters. Thank you, guys. Thanks to all for subscribing to my channel today. I am really surprised because I got 6673. It was unexpected. My target was, to be honest, I was thinking that if I get just 60 subscriber, 6660, I would be happy. But it's more than 70. I am really thankful to all of you whoever subscribed to my channel. Welcome to our family. This is our family. We all are the member over here, family member. Make sure that you are not gonna, I mean, make any disturbance over here. Instead of that, you will be interested to learn only. If you are here to learn, I will give you everything. If you are not here to learn, you are just wasting your time. That's all I can say. But if you want to learn, I promise you, brother, the way I'm teaching you every single day, you are not going to get this, at least not for free. In this YouTube area, you are not going to get it for free. I don't know about the membership. A lot of famous YouTuber, they have the membership. I don't know what they are providing to their membership, but no one is providing you this free information in live every single day. I'm not teaching you here, okay? I am showing you here the the thing I have already explained in my videos area. So please watch those videos from my channel, then come to my live to see that precision. Whatever I told you over there, I'm proving that it's not hindsight. It's working every single day in this market. Who else can provide you this clearance that market was falling? Who else can provide you that? Maybe some days they will be able to do that. I explained every setup I saw. How many times I was wrong and how many times I was right. Okay, don't look at this entry, okay? That was not a perfect entry, to be honest. I wouldn't go for that trade. If I were in my live account, I wouldn't go for that trade. That's for sure. Instead of that, I would go for this trade. Just that trade. That would be my only trade for today. So from there until this new opening gap high. So if you ask me, from there to there, that would be my only trade for today. So that's that 40 handle. I wouldn't go for any other trade around that area. But I explained the price action over there. The way I explained it, did it work? You have to learn this one. Maybe you missed that entry. What does it mean? That means you are not going to trade. Obviously, you are going to trade again. But if you get that opportunity, you are going to trade again. Simple logic, brother. What is the max risk per trade on 150k account? $700? Absolutely not. For what to say? I mean, 150k account. If you take entry by two mini contract, then your maximum stop loss should be $550. Maximum stop loss should be $550. Try to catch more specific entry. So, for example, I am just showing you this. Okay, you are thinking that you are going to take the entry from there and your stop loss is going to be there. Okay, so you would love to minimize your loss. That doesn't mean you are going to put your stop loss below. No, don't do that. Your stop loss should be there. If you think that if I take for example here, if I can take the entry from there, then it's gonna be less stop loss, then then be precise with your entry, not by your stop loss. Don't move your stop loss in, don't put your stop loss in a logical place. Instead of that, put your entry in a logical place. Okay, so if you miss it, you are gonna miss it. Don't get panic, you are going to miss that. Don't give a shit. But you took the entry over there and you want to put your stop loss over there because you want to minimize your loss. No, don't do that. If you think that your stop loss should be there, then your stop loss should be there, your entry should be precised. Wherever it will show you, you will take your entry from there. But no, is that clear, brother? If you take a winning trade, you are done for the day. What is your expectation for this PM session? I have already told you, brother. This is my target. So my expectation, this is my target. This is my target. Okay, this is my expectation. It doesn't mean that market has to go until that area, but yeah, this is my target. It doesn't need to reach over there. I will change my bias if and only if I see a bullish fair value from 15-minute chart and then I see that it is respecting. Though I don't want to see that. If I see that, maybe I'm not gonna touch that market anymore. I'm not interested to look for buy actually. Okay, though it will make a bullish fair value, I'm not gonna touch that market because today trend is your friend. Today trend is your friend. I would love to keep that in my mind. That's all. Okay, Shiva. Alright, I think I should probably close charts right now to prevent myself from giving money back to the market by trading like a degenerated. Okay, if you get $1 profit, just $1 profit, you took a lot entry over there, you're thinking it is going to work, then you got stood out to the break even, but in the meantime, you have $1 profit. You are done for that day. You are just done for that day. No more entry is valid for you for that specific day because you will be in rush. That is called psychology. It's the difficult part. Okay, as it's been already 12:10. I really would love to close my session for today. Thank you guys for joining. But before closing, anyone has any more question? If you have the question, I will just reply it. Otherwise, I'm gonna close my session for today. Make sure that you have given me the likes. Okay, I can see it's 200 likes, so I can't ask for more likes. To be honest, I should not ask because 200 likes is more than enough for me. I'm a very small YouTuber, a very small guy. So for me, 200 likes is more than enough. Is that a daily level? No, brother, it's not a daily level. This is that relatively equal lows. This low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. In my opinion, this is my sell side liquidity. This is the extreme sell side liquidity from 15-minute chart. Okay, so that's my target. Okay. Hi Wizard, is there a way I can reach you offline to talk about a short-term employment opportunity? Short-term employment opportunity. It's if it is about job, I would love to talk with you, brother. Just give me a message to my Twitter. It's me, okay? Just give me a message to my Twitter. I believe that you will get my Twitter link on my description, or you will get it from my comment area as well. Okay, just give me a message to my Twitter. I would love to talk. I would talk about the job, brother. Tito, can you explain your sell side? I have already showed it to you. This is my sell side. Okay, if it is clear, I am not telling that market is going to take this one, but this is my target. As ICT told, you have to target it. You don't need to predict the close. If you get a run toward your sell side liquidity, catch it. You don't need to hold it until that area. Okay. Thanks, Tito. Have a great rest. Get well soon. Yeah, thank you, man. I was actually cool where I even forgot about my fever, to be honest. When I was watching this price action, this area, I forgot about everything. I mean, I was sick, I forgot that. Going to watch your previous video, one swing low, high, need to understand them better. Let me just watch my study folder, okay? Study folder is gonna help you a lot. Study folder from my YouTube channel. It's the gold, man. It's not because of my channel, I'm telling you, that's the gold folder. Watch that one. Okay, Yeah, one question. We still see weekly candle to be bearish, right? Until weekly sell side. I have already explained that cool stuff to buy. This is my sell side liquidity until this area. I'm bearish. I would look for bear run. But if I see market has made bullish fair value gap, I'm just not interested to look for buy today. If it make it bullish fair value gap and keep going higher, I won't participate in that buy run. I would love to take the sell only. Okay. So for today, I would love to take for sell only until this sell side liquidity. If it doesn't do that, I'm not gonna participate in this price action. Okay, bro. Thanks, Tito. See you soon. Take care. Hey Priyanto. See you, man. Yeah, I have one question till. Okay, I explained you. How do you differentiate high resistance or low resistance liquidity? If dollar index and Nasdaq are going to the same direction, you will see this type of high resistance liquidity. Now, I didn't see the dollar index, but my belief is dollar index was also falling. I didn't see it. Okay, I didn't see the dollar index, but I believe that dollar index was also falling. Let me check actually. Yeah, look, dollar index was also falling. It was also falling. Then consolidation doesn't matter, but it was also falling. It was a bear move. Here, this is also a bear move. Look over here. So both of them are at the same direction. That's why it's high resistance liquidity run. When dollar index and Nasdaq are going toward the same direction, sometimes we see the high resistance liquidity run. Not always, but yeah, if they are same, then yeah, expect it. By the way, the members, I would love to tell you that don't forget this Friday PM session. Over there, I will explain the fair value gap in a deep way. Okay, so the members, please try to join to that. It's not going to be a longer stream. I can't promise you because every single time I told that, then I spent 2 to 3 hours. And also, I can't say that it's gonna be a short stream. I will try to make it shorter, but it's gonna be, I guess, valuable to you guys. Okay, so if you would love to join, if you are a member, then please join it. Okay, Friday 1:30 p.m. And if you miss it, no worries, it will be there, so you can watch that later. Okay, if you are my member, that's all. Thank you. Have a great day. You are most welcome. See one any video on how to use DXY. You just don't need. Every single week I do the weekly analysis video. If you watch that weekly analysis video, then dollar index concepts is gonna be clear to you. Okay, guys. I think what platform can I use to trade the funded account? Is that MT5, MT4 compatible? I love TradingView. Okay, I am fan of TradingView, so I only prefer TradingView. That's all. I mean, just I only prefer TradingView. So if you use that TradeAway, you will be able to trade TradingView. That's all. Long is also great. I didn't understand. What is long is also great. I didn't understand. Outlet, what are you doing here, brother? Just push the like button before leaving the stream. Okay. Yeah. So guys, I am really gonna close my session. So I guess until tomorrow, we should cheers.